In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a template in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to give a presentation a fresh look, or you just want to streamline your workflow with a cohesive design, using a template can be a great solution. Let's dive right in and get started. First, go ahead and launch PowerPoint on your desktop. You'll either want to create a new presentation or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh or working with an existing project, now is the time to add your photos, tables, and any other content you'll need. Don't worry too much about the layout or design just yet, as we're going to tackle that by applying a template. Once you have your content set or the presentation open that you're ready to enhance, go ahead and navigate to the File menu up in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, head over to the New option. This will open up the template browser, where you can choose from a range of design styles. In this gallery, PowerPoint offers some featured designs that you might find interesting. Take a look through this selection and see if anything catches your eye. If you have a specific design in mind, you can also use the search bar to find a theme that matches your vision or needs more closely. For those of you who have already saved a custom or personal template, you can access these by selecting from the options labeled Personal or Custom. Once you've found a template you want to use, click on it to bring up a preview and make sure it's the right fit for your presentation. When you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click on the Create button, or in some versions, it might be labeled as Open or OK, to apply it to your presentation. And that's it! Your selected template is now applied to your presentation, giving it a polished, professional look. Remember, templates can significantly enhance your presentation without much effort, allowing you more time to focus on refining your content. You can always go back and tweak your chosen template, adjusting colors, fonts, and more to suit your particular style or the audience you're targeting. PowerPoint templates are incredibly versatile and can be a game changer for delivering compelling presentations with a consistent design theme. Try experimenting with different templates to find the one that best complements your message and content. Thank you for watching, and I hope your next presentation is visually stunning and well received. Happy presenting!